What time is it? It's science time!
Are you ready to cash in on some fun science? Did you know that a dollar bill is printed with ink that has metal in it? That means that this dollar bill may actually be attracted to a super strong magnet. Pretty cool, right?
Ooh la la! Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.